Hello everyone, this is Shivani Bahirat from MIT News. Festival season is upon us. It is a very joyous and exciting time of the year. We have our reporters who have covered different aspects of the festival season from various parts of the country. So let us connect to Nirmala Nandini Vinay, who will talk about fashion trends during the festive season.
Thank you, Shivani. As you can see, I am standing in front of India's one of the biggest brand, not only for clothing but also for groceries, footwears and all the stuffs you need in your daily life, that is Big Bazaar. As you know, festival season is going on and people in Kolkata are at their peak for shopping as Durga Puja is nearby. So let's go inside and check what is the fashion for this festival season. Big Bazaar is mainly known for its ethnic wear, and the collection they are having of ethnic wear for this puja season are commendable. Not only for women but also for men as well as kids. Entering this place, we can feel the aura of festival is spread in the air. People are busy buying clothes according to their desire so that they can wear them on festival day and show their fashion festival for this Durga Puja. Festival without shopping is not a festival. People mostly in festivals show their fashion style to everyone around them. People love to dress and shop on special occasion. And right now our special occasion is Durga Puja. So now let's interact with customers who are shopping here for Durga Puja. So let's go and talk to the customer who are shopping over here and let's ask them that what is their fashion photo for this festival season. Hello.
Hello,
May I know your name?
Ridya.
Hi Ridya. So may I know that what is your festival fashion for this, Durga Puja, and why are you here? Are you getting the products that you want?
So, as this place has a very nice collection, but I am looking for anarkali suit. So, this festive season, my forte is of anarkali only. So, I hope so that I will be getting this very soon.
Okay, so you haven't got it right now, yeah?
No, I am in search of that. So, I am hunting currently.
So, are you liking the clothes over here?
Yeah. The collection is nice, but the type which I want, I didn't get till now.
Okay. Thank you so much for your...
Thank you.
As you can see, people are very much convinced to buy stuff from here or shop from here as collection are pretty much good. So over to you, Venkatesh, who is reporting from Pune. That's it from my side. This is Nirmala Nandini Vinay reporting for MIT News with cameraman Rakesh Singh. Thank you.
Thank you, Nandini. We are in front of an idol maker market where we will see how the market has changed over a year since the pandemic has hit.
We will be talking to Mr. Magaram, owner of the idol shop, who settled in Pune 30 years back. So let's ask him how this pandemic has affected his business.
आपके पूर्वजों से खानदानी तो अभी ये 2 साल में जब से कोरोना महामारी आई है, पिछले साल तो नवरात्रि और दुर्गा पूजा हो नहीं पाई इतनी बड़ी इस पे तो पिछले साल कैसा हाल था आपके? गणपति की मूर्तियाँ गणपति हुए थे, गणपति भी बड़े पैमाने पे नहीं अलाउड था, तो आपका कितना नुकसान वगैरह हो गया?
जो लोगों का कर्जा अभी तक 25 लाख कर्जा ऊपर है, अभी तक 25 लाख कर्जा इधर अभी है,
25 लाख कर्जा है, तो मतलब वो आप चुका नहीं पा रहे हो इसके वजह से। तो अभी ये साल तो अलाउ किया है, तो ये साल क्या आपका ये है? मतलब
ये साल भी अलाउड पूरा नहीं दिया था, पीओपी का मूर्ति का अलाउड नहीं दिया था, साउंड माटी का अलाउड दिया था।
हाँ,
तो साउंड माटी का नहीं मिला लोगों को, तो पीओपी का लेके करके गया, तो आधा माल गया, आधा माल ऐसे बचता है, आधा माल अभी भी बचता है।
बट फिर भी पिछले साल से कुछ ये है क्या, इम्प्रूवमेंट है क्या?
पिछले साल का तो अभी तक लोसा ही है, पिछले साल का अभी तक ये लोसा है। लोगों के पास इधर ब्याज से पैसा निकाला है, ये ब्याज ही पूरा नहीं हुआ था, इसका ब्याज तो दिन रात चालू हो रहा है।
तो ब्याज आपने बैंक से लिया या लोगों से लिया?
लोगों से लिया, ब्याज से लिया था किसी,
तो आप वो चुका नहीं पा रहे हो?
कुछ नहीं है।
तो आपका अभी क्या कहना है कि गवर्नमेंट मदद करे या क्या करे?
गवर्नमेंट तो मदद करता तो अच्छा करता, पर इतना जानकारी हमको मिलता नहीं, तो हम किसको भी बोले, किधर भी गए, पुलिस स्टेशन में भी गया, किधर भी गया, तो हमको इसको मालूम नहीं किया, हमें अंगूठा सब पढ़ा लिखा था।
तो आपको मतलब अभी फिर बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए अभी क्या मुश्किल आ रही है? मतलब आप
बढ़ाने के लिए हमको जो गणपति का ऑर्डर दे देता है, पीओपी का ऑर्डर देता है, तो हम कोई भी धंधा कर सकते हैं। अभी जो गणपति के टाइम होता था गणपति में कर देता, दिवाली का टाइम होता दिवाली का हो जाता। अभी ये दिवाली का रस्म बना है तो अभी पीओपी नहीं मिल रही।
ये रोजी सब हमारा परंपरा का, ये रोजी हमारा इसके ऊपर ही पेट चल रहता था। लेकिन अभी हम अनपढ़ रहता, हम पढ़े लिखे रहता नहीं, तो अभी हमारे कैसे है कि सरकार में हमारा सरकार का निबंधन है मेरा, तो हमारे का स्वार्थ करो थोड़ा, जो भी सुविधा करो हमारा अच्छा रखो थोड़ा। हम मुझे रोड पे बैठे हैं तो हम मदद करना चाहते सरकार का, क्योंकि साड़ू का जो बनाने को ऑर्डर दिया था लेकिन साड़ू का नहीं मिलता है, इतना जगह है ही नहीं, तो पीओपी की बनाया हम। तो पीओपी का तो पब्लिक में लेके गए थोड़ा थोड़ा, जैसे कि हम लोगों का 2 साल से पहले शुरुआत से कोरोना हुआ था, वो 2 साल से हम लोगों के पास कर्जा लिया लोग से, तो कर्जा अभी तक हुआ नहीं, फैसला नहीं हुआ है कर्जे का, तो इसके वजह से हम बैठे हैं। वही निबंधन से बोल रहे हो आपका, तो अभी पेट रोजी पेट सब इसके ऊपर ही चल रहा था, अभी हम इसके ऊपर ही चढ़ा रहे हैं हम। अभी हम सरकार बोलेगा पीओपी का बंद करो, ये करो, तो हम पेट कैसे भरेगा। आप दूर पाउड में बैठे हैं, पूरा देश छोड़ के इधर आया है, राजस्थान छोड़ के इधर आया है।
दुकानदार कर सकता नहीं, दुकानदार कर सकता नहीं, हमको कोई नौकरी मिलता नहीं, अनपढ़ लोग हैं।
So this was Mr. Magaram, whose bread and butter has been affected due to pandemic. This is Venkatesh Saran reporting for MIT News from Pune with cameraman Rishikesh. Over to you, Swasi.
As we enter the Navratras, it's very important to look after the shops that we go through and buy our decoration products from, because these vendors through the COVID days has gone through a lot. Last year and even now during the Navratras and Diwali, it has been really hard on them. So let's have a look how these things have gone through these vendors. This was day 1 of Navratra. The shopkeepers were eagerly waiting for their customers to come. Talking to one of them, Ramji, he said that he is hoping this year it will be better, because last year it was devastating. He was waiting for at least one customer to come, but it was in vain. He didn't had much customers even this year, but he is hoping that things will be better than the last year, as the situation has gone far from better. The roads are still empty. These shopkeepers are still hoping that there will be customers in some time. The only problem with these shopkeepers are their roadside vendors. They keep their shops aside in the road, and they have a fear that they will be neglected because of the big shops. This is Swastika Singha with cameraman Kunal signing off from MIT News. Now handing over to Vaishnavi.
Thank you, Swastika. So guys, as we all know, every state has its own traditions and rituals, as do Maharashtra also has. So let's see how Navratri is celebrated in Maharashtra.
In all over Maharashtra, Navratri is celebrated by worshipping Ashtabhuja, which means 8 different goddesses. The Ghat Puja is performed in Maharashtra, which means 5 different cereals or sprouts are sown in soil, and these plants grow for complete 9 days. It is believed that the growth of these saplings will determine the prosperity of family. Women wear 9 different color outfits, as every day there is different color for 9 days. Many people do 9 days fast in Navratri. They roam barefoot, they sleep on the floors, they don't use blankets, etc. Many rules are to be followed while doing this Navratri 9 days fast.
So now I will like to hand over to Suhani.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Navratri is celebrated differently in each and every state. As I am in Tarapur, Maharashtra, and over here, Navratri is celebrated with great enjoyment. The idols of Durga Mata and photo are kept in each and every building. In each and every building, there are different sets of pandals in which people dance, do perform garba and play dandiya all over the night. During 9 days, this festival goes on and on with so much enthusiasm. So now I'm going to show you some visuals of people performing dandiya and garba around Durga Mata ji.
के सितम ओ जमाने के सितम प्यार की दुनिया में ये पहला कदम ओ पहला कदम
So as you all can see in this video that people are celebrating this Navratri with great zeal and enthusiasm. But make sure to wear a mask because people over here were not wearing masks, so make sure to follow all the protocols given by our government. This was Suhani Dwivedi reporting for MIT News with cameraman Shivika Dwivedi. Over to you, Shivani.
Thank you, Suhani. And now we are going to see Durga Puja celebration and delicacies at Pune Kalibari Samiti in Khadki, Pune. This is the Pune Kalibari at Khadki, Pune. It is the 82nd year of Sarvajanin or Sarvajanik Durga Puja of Pune Kalibari Samiti. The Kali Mata temple here is the oldest in the city and the most popular Bengali community temple thronged by the devotees from all over. Devotees can visit the Pune Kalibari between 7 am and 10 pm. They can also watch the rituals such as Puja, Pushpanjali and get darshana on virtual platforms such as Facebook page and YouTube channel. Devotees can also order the Durga Puja Bhog at temple as well as online. Now we have Mr. Samir Mazumdar, the executive member of Pune Kalibari. So I would like to ask him that, sir, how every year the people Navratri over here we celebrate. So what is the difference between usual Navratri and this year's Navratri?
इस साल जो है आप लोगों को मालूम है जो कोविड नॉर्म्स जो गवर्नमेंट ने किया हुआ है, जो गवर्नमेंट का नॉर्म्स हम लोगों को बताया गया हम लोग उसी तरह से कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रखना है और मास्क पहनना है. सब गवर्नमेंट का रूल्स रेगुलेशन हम लोग कर रहे हैं. इस बार हमने बहुत सारे चेंजेस किए हैं क्योंकि जो भी आ रहे हैं लोग हम लोगों को इंस्ट्रक्शंस है कि आप लोग थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रखिए. सैनिटाइज़र वगैरह हम लोग रखे हुए हैं और सबको हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि एक साथ में मत आइए, थोड़ा मास्क भी पहनिए.
Sir, next I would like to know that every year what all delicacies do we prepare, do Pune Kalibari prepare, and what this year they have been preparing or what this year they have prepared for the pilgrims?
देखिए हर साल जो हम लोग यहाँ पे माँ का भोग दिया जाता है उसमें जैसे कि खिचड़ी हो गया, दाल चावल से बनाते हैं, फिर स्वीट्स हो गए, फिर आपका चटनी वगैरह, फिर एक सब्जी होता है. ये सब हम लोग इस साल किया जो हर साल हम लोग करते हैं. उसके लिए बहुत सारे हम प्रिकॉशन करते हैं, नीट एंड क्लीन हम लोग रखते हैं. और यहाँ पे हर साल जो बैठ के खाना जो हम लोग ये करते हैं वो नहीं है, इस साल बंद किया हुआ है. लास्ट ईयर भी नहीं था. तो हम लोग पार्सल देते हैं इस साल, बिल्कुल पार्सल, पैक पार्सल करते हैं. जो हाथ हम लोग अच्छे से साफ़ सुथरा करके पार्सल आके जो डिवोटी से उन लोग आके लेके जाते हैं.
Thank you, sir. This is Shivani Bharat from MIT News, signing off from Pune Kalibari. And now, over to you, Aniket Gupta, for our next ground report.
Thank you, Shivani. I am standing in front of Nerul Bengali Association, which is celebrating their 36th Durga Puja this year. This association supports the local Bengali community in Nerul.
The Nerul Bengali Association comes together to celebrate their 36th year Sarvajanin Durgotsav 2021. The association has stood tall amidst the tough times for the past couple of years. The construction and decoration of the pandal has been done in full-fledged as the association members prepare themselves to welcome the devotees for the next 5 days. The association has also provided their schedule for the puja days so that the devotees can make themselves available accordingly. We now divulge into a discussion with Association Joint Secretary Mr. Sumit Banik.
Hello, I am standing today with Mr. Sumit Banik, who is the Joint Secretary of Nerul Bengali Association. Hello sir, my first question to you would be, for how many years have you been a Joint Secretary or a part of this association?
Last 6 years I am a Joint Secretary working over here.
Okay, that's fantastic. So thank you for your hard work, because making this due in this COVID pandemic situation is really a difficult task. So my next question to you would be, has it been easier for you, due to this is the second year we are in the pandemic situation? Has the celebration been easy for you, or has it been more difficult for you?
Last year people was afraid of COVID because it was very much new. Now we have followed everything whatever local authorities said, but this year what we have done, actually we are doing the same thing, because whatever rules are there, it was same, but we are allowing people to come inside the temple. That is the basic difference. Only the thing is that we cannot allow devotees for Pushpanjali, food, waters, etc. Other than that, we are doing everything.
Thank you so much, Sumitji. Thank you. They are following all the COVID protocols that is necessary and trying their best to make this celebration a joyous one. Thank you.
The association has abided by all the regulations set up by the government in order to carry forward this celebration. The idol height does not exceed 4 feet and the whole event is organized in a closed space. The Mahasaptami morning puja was done successfully by the pujaris who were given the responsibility.
Thank you so much. This festival season looks very joyous and exciting. This is Aniket Gupta reporting for MIT News with cameraman Gautam Gupta from Nerul, Navi Mumbai. Over to our main anchor, Shivani Bahir.
That was amazing. Festivals are a time of the year for which every person looks forward to. It is important to be close to our loved ones and enjoy the festive season, but with precautions. Please wear mask at all times and maintain social distance. Happy Navratri and Durga Puja. This is Shivani Bahirat reporting for MIT News. Thank you.